Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. As always, I'm your host Jonathan. Today we are on the East River talking about the ship behind me, which is called Victory Chimes. Victory Chimes is the oldest wooden ship in New York City. It is a three-masted schooner, as you can see, built in the late 19th century. Victory Chimes typifies the late 19th century, early 20th century style trading or cargo vessel. Originally built actually to be a cargo vessel on both the east and west coasts. In 1946, Victory Chimes is converted into a passenger ship. And Victory Chimes will spend actually most of its maritime career taking guests, passengers up and down the coast of Maine. Victory Chimes was designated by the state of Maine as their first official windjammer. I'm not entirely sure what that means. I think a windjammer is a type of vessel. And it stands to reason. And Victory Chimes was actually on the reverse of the main quarter when the state's quarters are being minted. Today it is anchored here, like I said, in Brooklyn. You can see these buildings behind me. That's Brooklyn Heights, and in front of me, Manhattan. And I always find it interesting that as you're walking along here in New York City or any number of places in the world, you can come across important little bits of history. In 1996, the Victory Chimes is actually designated a National Historic Landmark and has been under protection of the National Park Service ever since then. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'll take a second to hit the subscribe button, that's the easiest way for other people to find the channel, and we'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.